Now the next movement is called pulling in the energy, and it's essentially an upside down platter, as if you were serving something to somebody. So your hands are going to stay again fairly close together, and I will again show it to you from both sides. But let's just start, because you're just going to follow a very similar kind of thing. You notice I went a little too far. I was exaggerating here, and just kind of going around and around the platter. So sinking into your right foot, left heel turns out, comes forward, your hands come right up in front of you, not too close, right? Just a nice comfortable place in front. And you go forward over the front leg, this is the left, and just like a nice platter. Now, what are you doing with these hands? This is a really important question. So there's this really unusual thing that Justin Stone was asking people to do when they moved through this motion, which is to really focus on the very tips of your fingers. And he had some imaginations that could help you get the focus of this. So as you go forward, really feeling as if you're just moving through the air with the very tips of your fingers to really feel the engagement there. And as you come back, he said, get the feeling as if you were drawing energy in or receiving energy from the farthest star. So there's this sense of far away connection coming into the fingertips and then engaging through that heavy air as you go forward. So it's a very, very fingertip focused movement, whereas everything else seems to be coming out of the palms of the hands for engagement. We'll go around one more time. And drawing in, and then coming to your resting position. And sink. And then the second side, so as you sink into your right leg, your left heel, your right heel turns out, and then you come out therefore over top of the right foot. So always coming forward with these circular motions over the lead foot. So that's the two platters and pulling in the energy have the same kind of thing to them. So as you come forward, just getting that sense of moving through the fingertips and then drawing, receiving through the fingertips on your way back. And I'm just going to go sideways. There's not a lot that you'll notice differently about this, but I'll just give you a sense of how that looks from a sideways direction. But you'll see the motion is very, very much like the platters. It's just your hands' engagement is different. And we'll go one more time. And I'll just do it this way so you can really see the pelvic balancing piece of this as we come to the end. So the toe comes up, I flatten in my lower back, which allows my foot to come up, and I come to my resting position.